It's heated up out here. Where you at? You at the house still? Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be up here. You gonna run or not?
Start. Turn on.
Okay. Well, I mean, we up here. Well, I'm just saying, we up here. I mean, I'll probably be up here for like another hour or so.
Not me.
Probably less than that. I don't know. I think TJ about to go shoot up to the forum though.
Tell him, if you want to run, I'll leave my batteries. You're going to be alright. He can run the battery.
He said, TJ said if you want to run, he said he leave the batteries out here, but I don't know, man.
I'll leave them, serious. Tell him, man, I'll leave the batteries out here.
I don't know. We probably be up here for like another, maybe 30 minutes or so. I don't know, 40 minutes.
30.
Nah, Derek, because I don't know where Derek is, man.
Let's go.
Yeah, but he works, so.
Hey, better watch out, because this the buggy. This should be all over the place. Hold on, man. I lost signal? Damn! That shit was digging too! Me too. Stay hot. They gonna force me to go and retire. Huh? Nah, I hit the brake, but it was already in the woody in the air. Hey, cool. Well, this one is. This one a little scratched up though, but I still think it's cool. Oh, not the GPS. See, did I get a speed though?
I saw something fly up over that thing. It went out.
Yep, F77.
Oh, why that shit? You hit that dip right there. Right there, you hit that right there spot where I always is.
My weight.